In a major development, road communication has been totally disrupted between the Dibang Valley district of Arunachal Pradesh and the rest of the state following heavy landslides and incessant rain in the state. Now remember, the district administration and the authorities have informed that the landslide has occurred due to constant rain over the last few days. Of course, evacuations also taking place. This is, remember, a very strategically important area, and this comes just a day after repolling in fact, in Arunachal Pradesh took place in various districts peacefully. My colleague Ratndeep Chaudhary with the latest.
National Highway 313 has been snapped yesterday after incessant rainfall and heavy landslide in Dibang Valley region of Arunachal Pradesh. Now this national highway leads to areas which shares its borders with China, and therefore the civil population there as well as the military and the security forces in that area are now cut off from the rest of the state. And in fact, what sources are telling us that it might take 3 days for restoration of this key national highway. Therefore, the surface communication to that area remains snapped off. However, authorities have given us to understand that there is enough storage of essential commodities and fuel for both the civil population as well as military requirements in that area, which is close to the LAC with China in Dibang Valley region. Now this national highway has snapped off, has been washed away in a place between Hunli and Anini, and you can see those visuals, very dramatic visuals, where you can see because of the rain water which is gushing down the hills, then parts of the national highway have been completely washed away, and therefore now the focus is on restoration. In fact, man and machine have both been moved to the area for quick restoration. This comes at a time when Arunachal Pradesh yesterday had completed the repolling for 8 polling stations peacefully under inclement weather conditions, and due to heavy rains now this snapping of the national highway has taken place in Dibang Valley region.